Good times.
Yeah, it was not bad.
Good.
Got a little sledding in. I mostly go for the pictures now. Take pictures. Oh, more snow. Well, that's what we need. I guess it's D-Day, buddy.
Oh, buddy. Oh,
It's D-Day.
there was quite an adventure driving out here.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, it's nice snowy nights.
Yeah.
Oh, geez, we got a few things to move here.
That's all right. We'll go inside and
Oh,
we'll I'll run out and start the truck and the tractor. Everybody can just stay warm. And then when the pushing and steering part comes, meanwhile, we just have to babysit Frankers. Right, Frankers? I don't need babysitting. We talked about getting the trunk floor finished before New Year's. It's New Year's Day. This is why I wanted to pull the car out, and I told Garrett he's got some time off. First week of January, we're gonna fix up the 67 Barracuda that he bought last summer, and here's our chance. No hurry, you don't need the car for a bit.
Nope.
And here's a great place to take a break on the 60 Chev. Nice, get the trunk floor done. That's a major repair, so we're gonna pull it outside. It can sit outside. We haven't got any bare metal on the outside of the car, so that's why I primed the quarters after I did them. So it can sit outside for a week or two while we fix up this lovely Barracuda. Let's see how it goes. Got the old tractor going. I should have filmed the cold start. It was pretty epic, but it did start anyway.
There's one in there.
Frozen.
Yeah, right.
Let's go.
Nice winter beater.
Nah, I was thinking winter beans, eh?
Well, I'll go get Shauna. And then turn the other way.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I got it.
No, you gotta cut it.
Oh, I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
There.
Okay.
Okay. You'll have to move it again when your car's
Oh yeah, for sure.
That's perfect there. Okay. Go back to the unit down. Then we're done.
We're done.
Awesome. That went really well.
Yeah. Very well.
Okay. Watch out. It's not safe. Got my upholstery.
Lasts forever.
That's forever.
The moment we've been waiting for, our chance to work on this lovely Barracuda. What's the general situation here?
Little dented. Little dented.
Little dented.
Little.
We got to fix. Okay, well, right. We'll just get down to business. It's nice original paint.
Beautiful.
We don't want to
We don't
paint.
want to mess that.
We want to paint as little as possible.
Yes.
So we can blend that out. I mean,
Pretty small.
doesn't look too bad, but we're cutting the whole.
Oh, really?
Well, we'll see, but
Oh yeah, it is kind of
Right, like-
yeah. Okay, I never even saw this.
realistically, we're doing something. Roof is good, right?
Gorgeous,
Trunk lid,
gorgeous.
good. Dent in this bumper. I'd like to have a
Oh,
look at that.
Dent right there, and there is
And some old repair somewhere.
right here.
Yeah, kind of a nasty old repair there.
nasty. But
So that's-
it's been there forever.
Yeah, it's very old.
Yeah.
But yeah, damage. But that's all right.
Not
We don't have
bad.
to touch up
Nope,
here.
Don't
right?
have to. Bumper doesn't mean paint.
Right. This side, little bit of a thing here. So we'll have to see how much.
I think this side's a lot better. I think.
Yeah. I mean, we're not restoring the car.
No.
The idea is we make it
Little as
look.
possible.
We make it look a little bit better with as little possible work.
Yeah. Exactly.
This is really the only thing that really ruins the car to me.
Yeah.
This fender is mangled.
And you can see the difference here if you stand right here. The difference of the color.
And yeah, right. So
Not
here's the
just
thing.
color too, right?
This has been repainted and they blended it into here, kind of.
Poorly.
So this is not original paint. Neither is that. This has never had body work, but that has. So this has to be straightened again. 2 accidents on the same fender, so we'll hope that we can get that back a little bit. But that's really the worst of the car. So we have to do a better job of matching the paint. We're gonna have to paint this and try and match it to that.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a bit of a job. That's most of the work, I would say. But the rest of it, I don't know, as little as possible.
Yeah.
There's this
I'm
here.
o-
I think this is.
I'm
what
okay
is
with
it?
that. It's not rusting. It's not.
Yeah.
It's
Right.
proper patina.
There you go.
I think I got one more little spot too here. I'm okay with that. I'm okay
Yeah.
with the,
Oh
the
no,
wear
no,
through.
the
Like-
paint is actually just lovely.
Just the way
It's
I like
amazing,
it.
actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, we don't want to get. It's like Bun's car.
Yeah.
I want to do it just the same thing, as
Mhm.
little as possible.
Yeah.
Still looks like original car when you're done. Like there's a little ding in this fender here, but I don't think we're touching it.
Yeah. I don't.
That's
I
going to be a
wouldn't worry about
marathon, right? We got to do this quick.
that. Yeah.
We gotta do it quick.
Yep.
It's gonna be nice. This is such a cool car, but we gotta dress it up. Summer's coming, right? You gotta be out there.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
We want to pull it up in style.
Well, that's it, right? It's so close. Let's just get it that little bit.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely got the style already. Don't get me wrong.
What a great looking car.
I still drive it just the way it is.
Oh, for sure, and it's cool the way it is. But
Yeah.
I think
It will be cooler.
it would be a lot. It's like that. We were just talking about that movie.
Yeah.
You would be a whole lot cooler if you did.
Yeah. Well, at least it's not, blue, right?
Yeah. Oh, it's fine. But we can do. We know how to do better. now,
Yeah.
Right?
Oh yeah.
So,
What do you say? It's definitely my favorite car.
yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
I'm happy you bought it.
Yeah, me too. Not a regret in the least.
I'm gonna get the fellas over here, get the sanding boys over, and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be really fun. Doesn't really hurt my feelings. You know, this isn't really the kind of crowd that's gonna want to watch, this kind of thing.
No, I don't think so.
Nobody around here likes this kind of
No,
thing at all.
not
Eh?
at all.
Yeah, all the guys,
Yeah.
none of us like this kind of thing
Not
either.
at
Yeah.
all.
Anyway, so for some completely unrelatable content,
Yeah.
you know what we should do?
Yeah.
We should push this out of here right now and push the Simca in.
There
Eh?
you go. There you go.
The unsubscribe showdown is back on, eh? Simca Splice, eh? Simca Splice showdown, eh? Right? Or put the Simca body on the Slant 6A body. I just don't think any of it would
Oh
work.
my god, no it won't.
Okay, Simca showdown coming soon. This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.